Hey there guys, Jordan in the know here, and I finally got my hands on the legendary Pixel 7 here. This is the first Pixel phone that I bought brand new on day one, and I am just so excited to try it out and just see what the Pixel experience is like. I was working at Verizon way back in the day when the first Pixel was released, and I always knew that I wanted one at some point. I always liked the idea of Google having a dedicated experience for the mainstream, so here it is. I originally was going to get the Pixel 6 used actually because they dropped a ton in price. I'm not above ever using a year-old, 2-year-old, 3-year-old phone, but I heard tons of issues about overheating with the Tensor 1 chip, and because of that, I got the Pixel 7 in hopes that the Tensor 2 solved that overheating issue. If so, I'll definitely let you know in my full review in the future, but in the meantime, let's take a quick look here at the phone. We get the Pixel 7 here front and center. This has never happened to me before, but it looks like Google also sent me a little white speck too, which is cool. Very nice of them, I have to say. And then, of course, we also get the charger, a little adapter to transfer over data, and the manual with the SIM ejector tool. Just as I expected, the packaging was clean and straight to the point. I had been waiting for this package literally all day, so it was so satisfying to open it up for the first time. This phone is running the Tensor 2 chip, which is supposed to be more energy efficient and faster at processing tasks that use machine learning. We have the same 50 megapixel camera as last year, paired with a 12 megapixel wide angle. The improvements we're supposed to see here are all in the software, but what is new physically is this metal trim surrounding the cameras. I liked the glass visor on the Pixel 6, but the metal bar is definitely growing on me. The front-facing camera is able to shoot at a wider angle compared to the Pixel 6, and also something we see returning is Face Unlock. I use it basically every day on my iPhone, and I'm excited to try it out here as well. Something else that held me back from getting the Pixel 6 was the negative comments around the fingerprint scanner. On the Pixel 7, I hear it's a lot faster. I'll let you know for sure how this ends up over the next week or so. Also, I'll have some information for you as well on how the glass screen protector works with this screen, just because that's been a concern of mine too. Finally, I got the black version just because I was thinking about how different cases were going to look on this, and black pretty much goes with everything that I was planning to get. I'm looking to get the D-brand grip, and I'm also looking to get any old interesting case for this phone, so I figured black was the best choice. And that's pretty much everything regarding the unboxing. So far, I like what I see for this phone. I'm actually gonna sit back, take my time, and actually use this device for a while, maybe a month before I give you guys a full review. In the meantime, I might do some update videos here or there, or just some videos talking about my experience so far. And I have plenty of cases for the Pixel 7 on the way that I do intend to talk about as well. So if that interests you, you made it this far, so you might as well subscribe and follow along for that upcoming Pixel 7 content. And with that said, guys, I'm getting out of here. If you have any Pixel questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I would love to answer any questions that I can. And yeah, I'm gonna get this phone set up completely and get all my apps and wallpapers installed. I'm getting out of here, guys. This has been Jordan in the Know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.